Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit, featuring a 3-blade Helix design, is a product tailored for those interested in harnessing wind energy for personal or small-scale commercial use. This kit is designed to convert wind energy into usable electrical power, providing an alternative to traditional energy sources. At first glance, the design of the turbine is noteworthy. The vertical axis configuration allows it to capture wind from any direction, which can be particularly advantageous in areas where wind patterns are unpredictable. The 3-blade Helix design aids in maximizing aerodynamic efficiency, enabling the turbine to generate electricity even at lower wind speeds. This aspect may appeal to users who live in regions with variable wind conditions. One of the standout features of this turbine kit is its power generation capacity of 18,000 watts. This level of output can be suitable for a range of applications, from powering small homes to supporting off-grid energy systems. The 24V charge system is designed to work seamlessly with various battery setups, making it versatile for different energy storage solutions. This feature allows users to store energy generated during windy periods for use during calmer times. Installation of the turbine kit generally requires some technical know-how, as it involves mounting the turbine securely and connecting it to a compatible inverter or battery system. Users should be prepared to follow the provided guidelines carefully to ensure proper setup and optimal performance. The kit typically includes necessary components for assembly, but additional tools may be needed, depending on the specific installation site. Once installed, the performance of the turbine largely depends on local wind conditions. Users are likely to find that maintenance is relatively minimal, with periodic inspections recommended to ensure that all components remain secure and functional. Furthermore, the durability of the materials used in the turbine construction may contribute to its longevity, allowing it to endure various weather conditions. In conclusion, the 18,000W Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit presents an interesting option for individuals and businesses looking to invest in renewable energy solutions. Its vertical design, substantial power output, and compatibility with diverse battery systems position it as a viable choice in the wind energy market. As with any renewable energy solution, potential users should evaluate their specific needs and local environmental conditions to determine if this turbine meets their energy goals.